Oh well. But that was awesome. There it is! Where? You found it? Yes! 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 Okay. False alarm.
Who's that flying? Oh, I got something flying there. This was a rocket.
Did you see that, Henry? Just went whoosh up.
Yeah,
Henry, your house. Yes, it is.
Hey, do you have the rocket? No. How'd you guys find my house?
We know it.
Hey,
Did you see the rocket?
Went there? Yeah, went there. No, people don't live there, you know. It's a clothes factory.
Oh.
It's a haunted house. It's a clothes factory. It's a closed society. Wow, you're so cute. Oh, I find it. Oh, come on.
C'est là?
Oh, it's the gate. That's where the gate. I think it's that.
The doorbell works, the house works.
Non?
No, not it.
Ah, non, 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 non,
C'est pas
non,
là?
non, c'est pas là.
Come on, it's not there. Oh, wait, what's that? It can't be here. It's here.
That's Mr. Jackson's house.
No, maybe it's that house.
Le professeur passe ici pour le prendre.
Come on. What did he say? Get Mr. James and ask him to come.
Where is the rocket? Where do you guys think it is? The top isn't there.